Okay. Do the full auto, Jason.
Full auto. That's number 1. Bravo. That's number 2. Take 2.
And we've messed this thing up pretty good. As you can see, it goes right through both sides of the foam cooler. Okay, now videotape. I want to be in the video.
Shoot through the cardboard.
Okay.
How do you do it?
It's recording already.
No, turn it, bring it, put it over here, on top of it.
You're recording, bro.
I'm not. It's on pause. Just pause. Is that recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay. Take 3. Hold on. Go talk now. You see? Oh, shit, dude.
Here. Get me.
Going through cardboard.
Good gun. I suggest everyone should get it.
For the price.
Yeah, for good price.
See I'm pouring up? We're gonna start this girl.